Good morning, students. Welcome to part 3 of our chapter number 5. In the previous videos, we have studied the different methods of separation, that is hand picking, threshing, winnowing, right, sieving, then sedimentation, descentation, and filtration, also the evaporation and condensation. Okay, now something new. Okay, can water dissolve any amount of a substance? If you take suppose salt, तो क्या जितना भी salt डालोगे सब dissolve हो जाएगा? If you take a glass of water and if you go on putting salt, तो जितना आप salt डालोगे क्या उतना सब dissolve हो जाएगा? Will it happen so? You can try it at your home. Does it happen so? No, it will not happen so. एक ग्लास पानी है, 2 चम्मच, 3 चम्मच, आफ्टर दिस 4 स्पून ओके, लेकिन उसके बाद क्या होगा कि वो डिजोल्व होना बंद हो जाएगा, फिर वो सॉल्ट नीचे बैठ जाएगा. इट विल नॉट डिजोल्व इन वाटर. दिस मीन्स दैट नो मोर सॉल्ट कैन बी डिजोल्व इन द अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर वी हैव टेकन. उस स्टेज पे जब वो सॉल्यूशन आता है, okay, that is salt solution. When this stage comes that no more salt can be dissolved in this, then this solution is said to be saturated solution. What is this called? Saturated solution. When the stage comes that you can dissolve no more thing inside that water, this is called a saturated solution, right? एंड अगर उसमें आपको ज़्यादा मिक्स करना है, इफ़ यू वांट टू डिजोल्व मोर सॉल्ट इन इट, यू कैन हीट इट. उसको हीट करने से थोड़ा बहुत ज़्यादा भी आप डिजोल्व कर सकते हो, राइट? इफ़ यू हीट द सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन, you can dissolve some more amount of salt in it, right? So this is saturated solution. And one more thing, that is activity 10, it is given कि आप समझ लो, if you are taking a glass of water and you are making a saturated solution of salt, salt आप 3 spoons डाल दिए अंदर, the saturated solution is ready. And in the same amount of water, अगर आप sugar solution बना रहे हो, it is possible that you can put sugar 5 spoons, 6 spoons or 2 spoons also. It means that the amount you can dissolve to make a saturated solution differs from substance टू सब्सटेंस, राइट? ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जितनी शुगर आपको लगेगी सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन बनाने में उतनी ही सॉल्ट लगे. इट विल बी डिफरेंट, है ना? अगर सॉल्ट की 2 चम्मच लगी है, हो सकता है शुगर की आपको 4 स्पून्स भी लगे. सो फ्रॉम सब्सटेंस टू सब्सटेंस इट इज डिफरेंट. A solution is said to be saturated if it cannot dissolve any more of the substance in it, right? So this was all about the separation of substances, different methods. Now exercise. First question, why do we need to separate different components of mixture? Give 2 examples. हमने देखा था, why do we need, in the starting of the chapter we have seen it. Why do we need to separate? हो सकता है कि कुछ unnecessary harmful things हो, then also we need to separate it. Otherwise we want to use the 2 things separately, and also we need to separate it, right? So you can write the point wise why we need to separate the things. Question number 2, what is winnowing? Where is it used? I have told you what is winnowing, right? When the lighter objects are separated with the help of wind. It is given on page number 37. And its uses, farmer uses it, right? For what? To separate husk and dust from the grains. Next question, what is sieving? How will you separate husk or dust particles from a given sample of pulses before cooking? Before cooking, winnowing nahi karenge. What will you do? You will just wash it 2-3 times, right? And you will drain the water so that the dust will come out. Question number 4, what is sieving? Where is it used? Sieving, छानना हमने देखा था ना. It is on page number 38, right? Different size holes are there in a sieve and they are used for different things. Use is floor में करते हैं, right? मम्मी आटा छानती है ना. For every grains, pulses, we used to do this. Next question, how will you separate sand and water from their mixture? Which process will be useful? Sand and water, sedimentation and descentation. You will mix it, then keep it for some time, that is sedimentation, and after that the sand will settle down and you will pour the water from the upper side, that is descentation, right? So which process will you use? Sedimentation and descentation. Next one, is it possible to separate sugar mixed with wheat flour? If yes, how will you do it? Yes, it is possible, right? How will you do it? It is very easy. Wheat flour है पतला होता है and the sugar particles are bigger in size. They are of different size, so you can use the sieve and do it. है ना? छलनी से आराम से करते. व्हीट फ्लोर है वो नीचे चला जाएगा, शुगर ऊपर रह जाएगी. 7th question, how would you obtain clear water from a sample of muddy water? Clear water from muddy water, first sedimentation, then descentation, and after that filtration, as shown on page number 4040. Filtration, right? Using filter paper. Okay. Fill in the blanks. First one, the method of separating seeds of paddy from its stalks is called. Stalk में से grains को अलग करना. Which method? Threshing. Which is it? Threshing. Second one, milk cooled after boiling is poured into a piece of cloth. The cream is left behind. Which method is this? When you are using a piece of cloth, it means it is filtration. What is it? Filtration. Third one, salt is obtained from seawater by the process of evaporation. Yes, what is it? Evaporation. Fourth one, example is given. What is it? It is descentation. This process is descentation. Question 9, a mixture of milk and water can be separated by filtration. No, false. Second, a mixture of powdered salt and sugar can be separated by winnowing. False. Third one, separation of sugar from tea can be done with filtration. No, sugar can't be separated from tea, right? With filtration. Last, that is grain and husk can be separated with the process of descentation. No. Question 10. Lemonade is prepared by mixing lemon juice and sugar in water. You wish to add ice to cool it. Should you add ice before dissolving sugar or after dissolving? And why? Lemonade, समझ लो ना, नींबू पानी आप बनाते हो ना, अगर आपको उसमें आइस डालना है तो शुगर को डिसॉल्व करने के बाद आइस डालेंगे या पहले डालेंगे? सोच के बताओ. बाद में डालना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमने देखा था कि अगर पानी ठंडा है तो वो शुगर कम डिजोल्व करेगा, है ना, उसमें चीनी कम घुलेगी। नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर पे है पानी तो उसमें चीनी आराम से ज़्यादा घोल सकते हैं। सो यू शुड ऐड इट आफ्टर डिजॉल्विंग शुगर बिकॉज कोल्डर वाटर डिजॉल्व्स लेस शुगर एज कंपेयर टू द वाटर एट रूम टेम्परेचर, राइट। क्योंकि हमने देखा था कि अगर सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन को हीट करेंगे देन इट विल डिजॉल्व मोर थिंग, इट मीन्स कि अगर वो ठंडा है तो वो कम करेगा। सो दिस वॉज ऑल अबाउट एक्सरसाइज, right? You have to complete the exercise of workbook at your own. Next video we will start the next chapter. Thank you.